Welcome. This video is to provide helpful guidance for remote workers for Simple Conference and Meet Me Conference. I'm going to explain the administration configuration requirements and end user experience when working as a remote worker. A Simple Conference Room is an extension that provides a single conference room for anyone who calls or is transferred to this extension. And from all your phones, you can dial your Simple Conference Room extension number to join this conference. Meet Me Conference Room is a conference room we add as admin or Switchvox, and every user is going to add a conference room number for themselves. And it can be done by user from user panel, or an admin can add that for you. And any phone from all the phones on network, you can call the Meet Me conference room number, and then you have to enter the conference room number to join to the conference. Now I'm going to show you how to add a conference room. By admin access, you're going to go to setup, extension, and manage. Create an extension. An extension type for Simple Conference Room is Simple Conference Room, and create an extension. Add a 3-digit number here. I'm going to add 997, and you have option to play sound when people enter and leave. You can play music on hold when only one person is in the conference, and participant may press pound to be sent to another extension. Save this extension and it will show up under your extension list here. 991 Simple Conference, and that is a conference. To add a Meet Me conference, go to manage again, create a new extension, and this time extension type would be Meet Me Conference Center. Create this extension and add 3-digit numbers like 882, and number of invalid room attempts could be unlimited, or you have option to limit it to 1 to 7 try. Save your extension and it will show up as Meet Me Conference here. If you use Meet Me Conference Room, a user has to add a conference room for himself, or an admin has to add it for them. First, I'm going to show you how you can add this for user from admin panel. Let's say we want to add a conference number for user 503. I am logged in as admin, and from here, I'm going to log into this user panel. Click on feature, click on conference room, and here it shows you can add a 5-digit conference room number. You can add any number by yourself, or you can click it here to randomly assign an available conference room number. I'm going to use this random assign number. You can play sound when participants enter or leave. You can change the sound type. It could be just play a sound or play sound with caller name. You can play music on hold, and you can select your music on hold. Here in this Switchvox, I have only a default music on hold. Participant may press pound to be sent to another extension, and you can let them to just let admins to talk, and hang up conference when all conference admins leave. Participant cannot talk unless the conference admin is present, and you have some option to add some admins to this conference. Save the conference number. This can be done by admin, or a user simply can log into his panel. I'm going to log in from here. As a user, so I'm logged in as user 503. This is a user. Go to feature, go to conference room, and add your own conference room. That is the conference number when you want to use the Meet Me in this page I was talking about it. If you want to use Meet Me Conference Room, everybody can call the Meet Me Conference Room number, and they have to enter conference room number. That is the conference room you're going to add here. If you don't know what is your conference room, you can either ask your admin, or you can click on Switchbox from user panel, and it will show up here under Switchvox. Yes, it's here. Meet Me Conference Room. Click on your Meet Me Conference Room, and it shows the conference room is 881. And the number you are going to use as your conference number is under. You can add this as widget here, and that is your conference number. So Meet Me conference room number is here, 881, and conference room number, that is your conference room number, and every user has its own conference number. It shows up here. If you're working from home, you want to know how you can dial your Meet Me conference room or simple conference room from home. You already have a Switchvox phone, soft phone on your laptop or computer. So the information you need here is the Meet Me conference room number or the simple conference room number, and you need your conference room number as well. You can get this information from your admin, or you can find it through your web access. Open your browser and enter the IP address of your PBX/main. And the IP address, you have to ask your admin what is the PBX IP address. And click on this link. And you will be asked to enter your extension. My extension is 503, and I will enter my password here and click sign in. Once it's logged in, the next step would be getting access to Switchboard. Now I'm going to switch to a real PBX here because I want to make a call and show you how it works. This is a real PBX, and this is my extension 6881, and I have access to as a user because it shows it's /main. Click on Switchboard, and now here in this page I see I have my conference room here. If you want to know how to add this conference room here, you have to add a widget. Okay, so it shows what is your conference room number. 67338 is my conference room number, and I need to know what is the Meet Me conference room number or the simple. So I'm going to search Meet Me, and it shows up. If you click on Meet Me conference room, it will show you what is your conference room number. So we are going to dial from the soft phone 5220. Dial it. You see here, Meet Me conference room
number followed by the pound key.
And it is asking me to enter my conference room followed by the pound key. I'm not going to enter that now because I want to show you something else here. To search simple conference room, you can search simple conference room, and again you can dial 5556 from your desk phone, or you can dial it from here. I'm going to dial 5556 from Switchboard, and it's calling me. So I get that call. It shows you have incoming call from simple conference room. Answer that call.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
And it says you are currently the only person in this conference. Because I am the only one, I'm hearing music on hold now. What you have here, you can hold this call, you can transfer this call to someone else, you can record that call, or you can hang up. This is a simple conference room, so you are not going to see that in the conference room widget here. So I'm going to end this call. And now I want to try the Meet Me conference room. Again, you can dial from Switchboard, or you can enter your digit here, 5220. Dial from 5220. I'm going to dial from Meet Me conference room and answer it.
Please enter your conference number followed by the pound
And I will
key.
be asked to enter your conference number followed by the pound key. The other way you can join to the conference is calling from here. Click on join and it shows you are going to join conference number 67338. Answer that call and here it shows up my extension is in that conference, and if someone else is joining to that conference, it will show up here too. You can mute others, you can end the conference, and you can mute yourself. You can end this conference or any other conference on this call. I'm going to end my call from here.
You have been kicked from this conference.
And I hear you have been kicked from this conference.